How was writing your escape at that time?
I mean, that was the intent. I don't know if it really was, but certainly it allowed me to kind of mentally project myself back. I mean, by the time I was finished writing the book, like I had said to my editor that I felt like I'd gone on a very long vacation with some very strange friends. Because I mean, it was all set in Japan. I did a lot of research in addition to, because I'd only been in Japan for a very short amount of time, about 10 days. It made a big impression on me, but it wasn't enough. I had to do research and also things had changed in the time. And I was able to kind of work that into the story because the character in the story has been in Japan in the past. And that's why they want him for this mission. He has experience there, he has connections. So he's sort of going back and seeing how things have changed as well. So I kind of took that experience and put it into the book. And, I mean, I'd say the escape was that it gave me something to kind of look forward to and to occupy myself with and to, kind of because I really wasn't invested in the work I was doing at that point. This was something I was invested in. And it just let me, I always say I wanted the book to be like a sort of mental vacation for people. There were two goals I had for it. One was that it would feel like you had just seen like an amazing action movie. And the other was that you would feel like you had taken a trip to Japan. And sure enough, like if you read the reviews, like a lot of people say like, oh, I feel like I've been to Japan, or I feel like I got to take a vacation reading the book. And that was really made me feel good because that was definitely one of the goals, of the story and of the way that I wrote it. The types of details I put in, the types of little experiences I tried to sort of share, underneath the big kind of action spy story.
And you said you took like a 2-month lull between jobs. You knew that the company was going to rehire you, so you had this schedule planned out, which was this like, did you say 9 to 5? Or
I mean, it wasn't 9 to 5, but I would get up. I don't remember the exact schedule, but I think I was writing by 9. I think that was sort of my goal. I think I would get up, go to the gym, start writing, write till about lunch. And I would try to get 2,000 words. That was my goal, and still to this day when I write, that's usually what I try to do, is about 2,000 words a day. And that would usually take me till around lunchtime, maybe a little bit more, but that's about how long that takes. So.
And when the job resumed, or you picked up with this new project, then how did your schedule change and how did that feel?
Well, that was interesting because that job was a writing job. That was actually one of my first professional writing jobs when that job picked up. So it was in some ways it was frustrating because I knew I had this book, like just waiting that was like almost done, and I'm like, if I could just get back to it. But on the other hand, it was also really fun because I was writing and I was working with people that I had already known from before that I really liked, and some of them were first-time writers as well. So we had this great energy, and it was a really awesome, fun time. I mean, so it certainly wasn't bad, But yeah, there were definitely days when I was like, I wish I could just finish the book now, So it was sort of, when that job ended, it was kind of bittersweet because it was a really great, fun job. But I also was excited to get back, and finish the book and get that taken care of.